Good morning, students. Today, our next topic is limitations of planning. Limitation, what does it mean? That means demerit, disadvantage या कमी है जिसको हम कहते हैं कि प्लानिंग की क्या कमी है, क्या डिमेरिट्स हैं या क्या डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं. लेट अस सी वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट वन इज planning leads to rigidity. Rigidity means very stiff, very hard to change, which is not flexible, जिसको बदला ना जाए. Planning leads to rigidity. एक बार आपने प्लान बना दिया, you can't change it after then. Actually, planning is done by the top management. And middle level and lower level, then these two levels will follow it. They can't use their own creativity. They can't change it in any circumstances. That means once plan has been made, it will become very rigid, very hard. It will not be changed. So this is the limitation. It should be flexible rather. So this is the first limitation. Planning leads to rigidity. Second, planning may not work in a dynamic environment. Dynamic means changing very quickly, जो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बदलता हो. In the last chapter you have read about business environment and its components. Various components were there: technological, legal, political, social and economical. So when you have planned, then you are just forecasting the future. So whenever the actual plan will be implemented, it may be possible that कि उस वक्त आपका जो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट है वो बदल जाए. जब आपने प्लान बनाया तो देश की पॉलिटिकल जो इन्वायरमेंट था वो कुछ और था. इलेक्शन हुए, उसके बाद पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हो गया, पॉलिसी चेंज हो जाएंगी, देन इट विल अफेक्ट योर प्लानिंग आल्सो. इन द सेम वे, global economic incidents as well as national economic incidents will change your business environment and it will become dynamic. And in that case also planning may not work. So business environment is very rapidly changing, so it may not work in that particular environment. This is the second limitation of planning. Third, planning reduces creativity. Creativity means new ideas. Planning will reduce it. Why? Because as in the first point, it has been created or plan are made by top level only. So what will be the ultimate result of this rigidity? It will reduce creativity. These are interrelated. Rigidity will reduce creativity. Fourth, planning involves huge costs. Planning is a very expensive process. बहुत महंगा process है. Why? First of all, you have to gather the information. Then you have to analyze that information. You have to talk to professionals of your field. So it will occur lot of expenses. Lot of expenses will be there in case of planning. It will involve huge costs. बड़ा खर्चीला प्रोसेस है प्लानिंग, इतनी आसानी से नहीं होता. इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड मनी बोथ. नेक्स्ट, प्लानिंग इज ए टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस. इट विल टेक अ टाइम. प्लानिंग इज नॉट एन इजी जॉब टू डन. व्हाई? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू हैव टू स्टडी योर बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट एंड विच इज द मोस्ट टीडियस टास्क. सबसे मुश्किल काम है बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट की स्टडी करना. All the components are playing a crucial role in framing a particular plan, and reading those particular component of a particular country, state, district, for reading the particular business environment, it will take a lot of time. So it is a very time consuming process. This is the another limitations. And the last limitation, प्लानिंग डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस. आपने प्लान कर दिया तो आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी, इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. क्यों? एक पॉइंट आपने ऊपर पढ़ा था, दीज आर इंटररिलेटेड. व्हाई? प्लानिंग मे नॉट वर्क इन अ डायनेमिक एनवायरनमेंट. क्योंकि बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट बहुत स्पीड से बदलता है. वो बदलता है तो प्लानिंग आपकी काम नहीं करती, और अगर वो काम नहीं करेगी, हाउ यू विल बी श्योर अबाउट योर सक्सेस. सो प्लानिंग डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस. सो दीज आर सम लिमिटेशंस ऑफ प्लानिंग. Now we will meet in the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.